Hey everyone, it's J.I.V. Lee, aka Nail Fertiti, and I'm back again with another tutorial. This time, the tutorial is really just going to focus on the nail art. I didn't really want to record much of like the application and the shaping process because it's just a basic, short, clear set. So my client, this is a client freestyle. She came up with the idea. She wanted something with black airbrush and like red and like the end product is kind of giving, like Bratz Rock Angels, if anyone has ever watched that. It used to be my favorite Bratz movie. I used to know the songs word for word. So just to start off this design, I'm going in with black in my airbrush machine. I think I did this twice because the black is kind of sheer, because it's airbrush, it's kind of sheer when it first come out. So you might need to go over it again. And now I'm taking a cherry red polish that I got from DND Gel, and I'm drawing like the little kisses. I have seen other tutorials on how to draw the kisses like with a dotting tool and all of that. But I swear to God, I can't get it right every time I try to do it with the dotting tool. For me, just drawing it out by hand, like doing the curves and stuff, like it just works better for me. But they're pretty easy, whether you use the dotting tool or not. I think the lips are very easy. So because this is a pretty short tutorial, I didn't feel the need to speed up anything so you guys can really see, how long it takes for me to do certain things and really get more detail. Because sometimes when videos are sped up, you kind of miss a detail, but now you can get more like in-depth details of how I draw and do my designs. Now I'm going in with this metallic drawing gel that I got from Born Pretty. I really love this gel. It cures very well. Sometimes metallic gels don't really cure well. I got like a cheap gold gel off of Amazon, and that gel never cures. Like, I need to hit up Born Pretty again and tell them send me a gold metallic gel, because I really like the consistency. It's really easy to use. It's, you know, nice and thick. You only need one go with the gel, and it cures well under the light. So I really like this gel. I definitely recommend. Now I'm going in with my white gel polish that I got from Beetles gel polish. It's a great gel polish. You only need one, go with this white gel polish and it'll be fine, nice and opaque. So I'm using the polish to draw some stars and dots, just to embellish the design. On the middle finger, I got these cute little charms off of Amazon, and they're cute little Hello Kitty charms. They're literally perfect for this design. And I'm also using these silver half balls that I also got off of Amazon to add just a little bit of extra oomph to the design. So this is like a last second idea. I thought that the Hello Kitty needed more red on it. So I kind of went in and just added red where I feel like she needed some red on her clothes, because it's definitely a punk rock Hello Kitty. This is the finished design, this Bratz Rock Angel X Hello Kitty. I absolutely love how this design turned out. Like, the airbrush and everything was just perfect. And my client loved it too. I actually love working with this client because she comes with her own ideas, and then I get to execute it in my way. Thank you all for watching this nail art tutorial. I hope you loved it as much as I loved making it for you. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.